I am going to style my hair with these braids. Good morning, good morning. I will be right back. I'm back and I want to say thank you for your continued support. If you haven't become a part of the Gene G family yet, just know there's always an open invitation for you to come and join this family. I love my family members. I love our interaction. I just love people in general. And so now I want you to know that what I've done is braided and banded my hair. I shampooed my hair and I had it banded with these little ponytail holders, and I wanted to take those off and let you see what I was going to do. Well, to be honest with you, I want you to see what I came up with after I turned my camera off, because I didn't know what I was going to do because my hair is still damp and I have to go into the salon. I took my wrap off and it's not pretty much dry, and I can't give you a percentage. I'm just not that good. So I am going to style my hair with these braids. I left one of my bands off. I noticed that now. I left one on. And so I want this braid to be like this right here. So I am going to make it a part of this braid. Take this loose. Put this underneath, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And hopefully this works out the way that I want it to. So I have this done, that part. Yeah, and I twist it like that. Great job, Jean. Doing good. I do that. Take this, wrap this one around. Maybe not. I'll just take this one back. Well, maybe I can do the same thing. Take this. Now what am I gonna do? Now I don't know what it looks like back there. So when this video is over, I want you to tell me what you think about this. With this frizzy gray in my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put in this goodie clip right here. And this is my hairstyle for the day. A protective style. It'll be out of my face because I have to do a Sisterlock establishment starting today. And I may share some of that with you. But I want you to have a great day. This is a sister who loves her locks, I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because He's so good to me. His mercies are what? Go ahead and say it. New every morning. Have a great day. I forgot to do my 360, y'all. Yeah, here we go.